push. You need to push very harder. Push very harder.
My father.
Push.
Don't say a bad word to the life of this
My
unborn
mother
child.
stand
Don't pray for the
up.
baby.
Fight for me.
Push. Auntie, please, you need to give me some minutes. I'll be back. And nurse, no action should take place, please.
Take it easy, madam. Take it easy, madam. Take it easy, madam. Take it easy. Madam, take it easy.
Please, I'll be back. Please. No action should take place, as I said.
Take it easy.
Doctor, please, oh. No, I'm not doctor.
We saw all your efforts on the woman in your labor room, but forget about her and attend to another patient because she will die with her pregnant.
Ojú bá ẹ̀yin ìyá. Mo yí ìgá ọ̀tún mo sì tún yí tòsì. Ọmọ wa ní ojú ò gbọdọ̀ tí ń lórúkọ tẹ́ ń pè mí ojú òtì mi rí mi ò sì gba nǹkan tì lọ́wọ́ yín rí èé ṣe. Èmi lárábìnrin yìí ṣe fún yín rí ẹ dákun ẹ dábọ̀ ẹ sì jẹ́ ó bí láyọ̀ àtàlàáfíà ẹ dákun. Ẹ dákun ẹ̀yin ìyá.
Akéwéjẹ, ẹ̀mí arábìnrin yẹn àtọyún inú rẹ̀ ló jẹ wá lógún. You are someone I can never say no to your wishes because we've eat, drink, and do so many things together on a piece of leaf. Assuming she was taken to another hospital, Okulele Janta, Akéwéjẹ, tell her to watch her mouth, to have respect, and she should talk with her senses. Tell her after the child dedication, she should go to the market and buy a big white ram. She should keep it in their compound. We will come for the ram. Akéwéjẹ, go inside and give her what you have in that cup. She will have a safe delivery.
Thank you, O Lord. Thank you, ẹ̀yin ìyá.